Hello everyone. Today we have a job update from CGI and it is a system administrator or associate system engineer. And the job locations will be Bangalore or Chennai. Experience that is required here is you should be a fresher and should have graduated in 2022, 2023 or 2024. And if you scroll down, you can look at the responsibilities here. You should be familiar with the cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and it is desirable. And you should have some exposure to the scripting or automation tools such as PowerShell, Python, or Bash. And you should have a problem solving skill, communication skill. You should be a team player and you should have the enthusiasm to learn, and you should be flexible to work in the client's time zone. These are the things that is required here, and here are a few required qualifications that is required for you to be successful in this role. You should have done a full-time graduate role, no master's degree. So only bachelor's degree is eligible here. So that is undergraduate degree. Any undergraduate degree can apply here. Then the skills that is required here is analytical thinking and communication management. And these are the things that is given here, and I have explained you everything. And this is a very good opportunity for someone as a fresher in 2022, 23 and 24. Don't miss it out. Try to apply as soon as possible because you wouldn't miss this opportunity. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.